Without leaving the pit lane, the speed has been intentionally reduced. This is the formation lap. Use this moment to compose yourselves. The formation lap ends in a few seconds. The field is closed up. Other vehicles are close to you. Now, we're gonna make a flying start.
Oh, heerlijk. Oh, ich musste. Ich war gar nicht auf der ganzen Runde, dachte ich muss jetzt. Oh Gott, was war's denn? Ja, hier war wieder Fuß. Ja? Ja? Weil er über die Linkskurve passt.
Race is over. Slow down. We're heading back to the pits now, and remain seated. Debrief awaits you back in the box. Then, now, it's on to the winner's podium. Enjoy the moment. You've earned it.
Dann muss er nicht nochmal aufmachen.